Oh, don't have me spin a bottle, man. You know how we played that. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, Scarface. What you got for us? Yo, where's my crowd at, though? Come on, y'all. Make some noise out there. Let's go. You want a response? Let's go. Make some noise. Y'all. Y'all, come on. Let's go. Y'all make some noise. Yo, where's this crowd at, y'all? Come on. Round one. We in it to win it, y'all. Wet shoes too? Yo, man, that's what I'm talking about. For the red eyes. Round two. Round two. Yo, crowd, we need more energy from y'all. Come on. It's too quiet in here, y'all.
There you go.
We're at maximum capacity. 280. There we go. Handcuff. Get nasty, kid. Round three. What you got for us? Oakland zone. Ain't never sounded this good. 7 knee spins. I'm gonna need this crowd to turn it up, though. Come on, y'all. Match that energy on the floor. Let's go, crowd. Hip-hop's a call and response. Oh, here we go. Scarface, y'all. Yo. Spreading the cricket. This is serious now, y'all. All up in their face. Let's go. Check all of them. Let's go. Round 4. Damn, this song go hard. 5. Where's the crowd at? Come on, y'all, make some noise. Final round. Last round. Y'all gonna get your vitamins now. Here we go. Town business right here. Let's go. All right, San Francisco, that's it. Yo. Let's give it up one more time for both of these crews, y'all. That was an amazing storytelling, amazing exchange. Also, round of applause for DJ Just Jones, man. Shoot. I got a speeding ticket listening to that song one time. Shoot. Hey. Yo, man. Gotta turn it down. All right, judges, on 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got the Hood Moms